today's video I am going to show you how to create a beautiful SwiftUI onboarding screen with the smooth animations, clean layouts and a modern design. It's perfect for welcome screens, product tools or first time experiences. So what is onboarding screen? An onboarding screen in an application is the first set of screens a user sees when they open your application for the very first time. Its main purpose is to introduce the app's purpose or main features. It guides users on how to use it. It builds trust and make them feel comfortable starting. Think of it as a friendly welcome tool, like when you enter a new office and someone shows you where the coffee machine is. So let's start the project by creating a new Xcode project with the name Onboarding Demo. Name it Onboarding Demo. Make sure the interface set to SwiftUI and language is Swift. Okay, now click on next. Create a new project. Okay, so let's add into the downloads. The project is created now. Now firstly delete content view default code, so we start from the fresh. So let's delete this code. Okay, so design the onboarding layout. We will use a tab view with a tab view style for the swipe effect. Okay, so let's start with onboarding page. Let's create a new view with SwiftUI view. Name it onboarding page. We will add the three variables which we will use within this view. So first one is image name. The data type will be string. And the another one is title, and the third one will be description, which we will show in the screen. So within the body we will use the VStack first with spacing 20, and within the content view we will add one image and the two labels. So to show the image within this view we will use the image property, and within the image we will pass the image name. Here we will set the resizable property and scale to fit, which will be fit within any particular iOS device screen. After that we will set the frame with height 300. After that we will add the text label with name title, and we will set the font with title. And the font width will be bold. Okay, now we will add one more label by passing the description string, and the font style will be subheadline with text alignment center, and also set the padding horizontal. Let's pass the padding for this VStack onboarding page from the top, left, right and bottom area. Okay, let's add this in the preview. Let's check this in the preview of this project. Okay, so the preview is shown on the right hand side of the screen. Now we will create one more SwiftUI class with name onboarding view. This is basically wrap the multiple screen pages inside a tab. So within the body view we will use tab view. Within this we will pass the onboarding page with onboard one. Let's do the by passing the image as a SF symbol. Let's try this out. Let's check the image name within the SF symbols. Let's use this info symbol, passing the name of that image, and within the title we will pass welcome, and the description will be discover amazing features in our app. Okay, and we will add one more onboarding page here. We will set the title stay organized. In the description, keep all your tasks in one place. And we will add one more page here with title get started. Okay. We have to add this within the title, and the description will be let's begin your journey. So what images we will use here? Organized, task, folder. Yeah, we will use this for now. Copy name, edit here, and within this we will use the play icon, this one within the third view. Okay, and now within the tab view we will set the tab view style. Okay, with page tab view style with index display mode with always. Okay, and let's check this. Oh, we have to, if we are using the SF symbols here, then we have to pass the system name within the image. Now it will work. Let's see in the preview. Okay, the image is shown here now, and you can see uh, when we transition from right to left, then the page is changed. Okay, now if we can also add the fade in effects with opacity and animation, add spring animation for button press. If you want to save the previous state of the onboarding screen, then we can use the app storage. You can use the add app storage to skip onboarding after the first launch. So let me tell you like how we can do this. We can pass this onboarding view within the content view here, and within this we will pass @app storage with has seen onboarding. We will set the first value, default value false. Now we will say the value of onboarding within this. Let me tell you how. For now we will add the button within the onboarding page on which we can tap and change the state. Within this, add the people here, and within this text with name get started with padding, and also set the background color with blue, and foreground style will be white. Also set the corner radius with 10, and shadow will be 5. Scale effect, let's add one more property here. @state private pair is pressed. We'll set here is pressed. If it's pressed, then at 0.95 else 1, and animation spring value will be is pressed. Okay. And within this button we will set the we have to add this button within the onboarding view. Within the content view, we will add the button within the content view. Here we will use vstack, and here we will add the button. We have to use this property within the content view. Okay, so when you click on the get started button, the value is we have not saved the has seen onboarding value, so we will pass the has seen onboarding with true value and set this here. Now let's check this. If we will add the condition here, if has seen onboarding will be true, and within the else we will paste all the code, and if the value is true, then we will pass the color dot red here, and text will be you already seen the onboarding screen. Okay, let's test this now. When I click on this, then this view will be shown. Okay, and that's it. You now have a fully functional SwiftUI onboarding screen with the animations, swipe gestures, and persistent storage. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more SwiftUI tips, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.